Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see Milne's method of second order ordinary differential equations. So in this method we'll see method to solve y double dash equal to f of x comma y dash given y of x naught equal to y naught and y dash of x naught equal to y dash of naught, and we'll see the formula to solve Milne's method of second order ordinary differential equation. Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see Milne's method of second order ordinary differential equation. Already we know that to compute y4 or y of x4, Milne's formula is given by, means we have two formulas, predictor, Milne's predictor and corrector. So predictor formula is y4 of p is equal to y0 plus 4h upon 3 into 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash, and y4 of c is given by, and y4 of c formula is given by y2 is equal to h upon 3 y2 dash plus 4 times y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this formula already we have seen for the first order, but here the same method will apply for second order ordinary differential equations. So here we'll see method to solve second order, that is y double dash is equal to f of, it will be x y y dash, because instead of z I am writing y dash, you know that, so z is nothing but y dash, given y of x naught is equal to y naught and y dash of x naught is equal to y naught dash. So these are the conditions we'll get in the question. So we'll get a second order differential equation. This is a second order differential equation and with the initial conditions. So to perform this method here, so we need to replace. So once again I will recall the situation here. So to simplify, first point I can say that we put y dash is equal to z, okay, and y double dash will put as what here, z dash. So we put y dash is equal to z and y double dash is equal to z dash. So therefore this above expression will become, so the given differential equation becomes, so what is differential equation? This y double dash. So y double dash is nothing but what here, z dash. So it will become z dash is equal to f of x comma y comma, instead of y dash I will say it is what here, z. Fine. So with the help of this we are going to simplify. So as we know that we have the formula what here, so y4 of p is equal to y0 plus 4h upon 3 into 2 times y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 times y3 dash. So here I want to rewrite this predictor formula in terms of second order. So here for predictor formula, that is, now for y4 of p is nothing but it is y0 plus 4h upon 3 as it is. Fine. So just remember the substitution, y dash is z and y double dash is z dash. So therefore I will go back here, So 2 times y1 dash. So what we have here, y dash is z, means y1 dash will become what here, 2 times z1, because y dash is z. So it will become what here, 2 times z1. So I will replace here, it will become 2 times z1, fine, minus what we have predicted formula, y2 dash. So y2 dash will become what here, z2. Z2 plus next term is 2 times y3 dash will become what here, 2 times z3. 2 times z3. So hope you got the stage here. So because since here y dash is nothing but what here, z. So once we got, so we need to write z4 of p also here, because our differential equation y double dash we have converted in terms of z dash. So therefore we need to find what here, z4 of p. So from this only we need to write that formula. So instead of y naught you have to write z naught here, plus this 4h by 3 as it is. 4h by 3 means I want to write z4 of p formula. So how to write, remember, so z4 of p is nothing but, instead of y naught it is z naught, plus 4h by 3, 4h by 3 bracket. Next 2 as it is. Instead of z1 we need to write z1 dash, minus instead of z2 we write z2 dash, plus 2 times z3 dash. So these are the predictor formula for y4 of p and z4 of p. So in the given question we need to calculate y4 of p, that is predictor formula for y, and predictor formula for z we need to calculate. For this we need to use this predictor formula. So we need to use this predictor formula. So once we got predictor formula, we need to compute for what here, character also. For to form a character formula, we need to use this character formula and we'll replace it. And remember, we need to replace all y dash by what here, z. So here y2 dash is there, it will become z, and 4 times y3 will become what here, z3, 4z3, and here it will become what here, z4. So remember, so first differentiation will be replaced by z. So therefore the character formula will be, so y4 of c, I am writing the formula here. So it will become y2 plus h by 3 bracket z2 plus 4 times z3 plus z4. So then similarly z4 of character formula, that is z4 of c will be, instead of y2 it will become z2 h upon 3. So instead of z2 it will become z2 dash plus 4 times z3 dash plus z4 dash. So this is a formula for character. So in this way we need to remember the predictor formula and character formula to apply for second order differential equation in the method Milnes. In the method what here, Milnes. So in the method Milnes we have predictor and character formulas. So here for the second order, so we need to find y4 of p, z4 of p, and similarly we need to find what here, y4 of c and z4 of c. So these are the formulas to get the result for what here, Milnes method of second order ordinary differential equations. Let's see the examples based on this Milnes method of second order ordinary differential equations.